Can the Aviva Secure Nest Annuity Plan truly provide the guaranteed retirement income you need, or is it just another annuity plan with limited flexibility? Let us find out the answer to this question through the in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non linked, non participating, immediate general annuity savings plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: it offers you multiple annuity options, it provides you with guaranteed lifelong annuity payouts based on your selected payout frequency, it includes an option to return the purchase price to the nominee upon the annuitant's death. It also offers a joint life option that ensures continued annuity payments until the death of the last surviving annuitant. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are some advantages as well, like you get flexible payout frequency, and higher your investment you will have higher annuity. And also this plan requires a hassle-free one-time premium payment with no future premium commitments. It provides you with a guaranteed income for life with the option to continue annuity payments to your spouse under the joint life variant. And certain annuity options return your purchase price to your nominee upon the annuitant's death, which helps preserve wealth for your beneficiaries. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some drawbacks as well, like disadvantages, which are: there is no surrender value. None of the annuity options offer a surrender value, which means the retirement corpus remains locked in once the policy is purchased. And this plan does not provide you with the option to avail a loan against the policy as well. And all your annuity payments are received under the plan or taxable as per the prevailing income tax laws. And the chosen annuity option also cannot be changed after the policy is issued, which makes it a long-term commitment. And the annuity amount remains fixed throughout the payout period and does not increase with inflation, which may reduce its purchasing power over time. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video. So here we are going to calculate the IRR of this policy, which is the internal rate of return, based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 60-year-old male has invested 20 lakhs in this plan through a single premium. So if he chooses option G, life annuity with return of purchase price, and assume a life expectancy of 85 years, the annual annuity payable is 1,21,406 rupees. So assuming the purchase price is returned to the nominee at age 85, the IRR works out to be 5.97% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So such a return is relatively modest and many cases lower than the returns available from several debt-oriented investment options, particularly those designed for senior citizens. Moreover, the retirement corpus remains locked in throughout the policy term, as the policy does not provide you with a surrender option. Another important limitation is that the annuity amount remains largely fixed, which does not adequately keep pace with inflation as well. So considering the combination of modest returns, limited liquidity, and inflation risk, this policy may not be the most efficient option for generating sustainable retirement income. So now we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need. Let us move on to a comparative analysis. Here we are going to analyze this policy returns with other alternative investments. First, let us compare it with fixed income instrument, which are alternatives. So if you take, there are examples like Senior Citizen Savings Scheme (SCSS), which currently offers an interest rate of 8.20% per annum, which provides you with regular income backed by the government of India. And we have another another option like bank fixed deposits, FDs. So here interest rate generally range between 6 to 7% per annum, with many banks offering an additional 0.25% for senior citizens. Interest can be received periodically or accumulated until maturity. And there is RBI floating rate savings bond as well, which currently offer 8.05% per annum with interest paid semi-annually. Although the bonds have a 7-year tenure, senior citizens are permitted premature redemptions which are subjected to applicable conditions as well. So while these options generate stable income, they do not adequately address inflation risk because retirement spans 2 or 3 decades. So inflation can significantly erode your purchasing power. So your retirement portfolio should therefore aim not only to generate income but also to preserve and grow wealth. So what would be a more balanced approach? It would be to combine equity and debt instrument. For example, if you take the retirement corpus of 20 lakhs and allocate it as 60% to equity, which is 12 lakhs for long term growth, and 40% to debt, 8 lakhs to generate regular income. Let us assume long term returns of 12% from equity and 6% from debt. With periodic portfolio rebalancing every 5 years, the debt allocation can be replenished from equity while maintaining the desired asset mix. So here the annual withdrawal can begin at 1,21,406 rupees, which matches the annuity payable under the Aviva policy under the option of life annuity with return of purchase price. So here to help offset inflation, withdrawals can be increased by 6% every 5 years. So for comparison, you can assume the entire remaining corpus is withdrawn at the age of 85, which mirrors the return of the purchase price under the annuity plan. So under these assumptions, the portfolio is projected to grow to approximately 39.5 lakhs by age 85, which is nearly the double the amount 20 lakhs returned under the Aviva policy. So at around age 71, the equity allocation can be gradually shifted to debt to reduce portfolio volatility. Although the timing can be adjusted based on the retiree's risk appetite and financial circumstances. So overall, the strategy offers several advantages over Aviva policy. It has the potential to deliver higher long-term returns, inflation adjusted income, full liquidity, and greater flexibility in managing retirement assets. So, what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Aviva Secure Nest Annuity plan worth it or not? So, this policy offers the convenience of converting a lump sum retirement corpus into a guaranteed stream of regular income, which makes it an appealing option for retirees seeking certainty. However, while the annuity may appear adequate in the initial years of retirement, its purchasing power gradually declines as inflation increases the cost of living, and it also has a high agent commission. The plan also offers limited financial flexibility as the invested corpus remains locked in and cannot be accessed through surrender or loans. Furthermore, the IRR analysis indicates that the returns are relatively modest, which makes it difficult for the annuity to sustain an inflation adjusted standard of living over a long retirement horizon. Retirement planning is highly personal, and no single annuity or pension product can address the diverse financial needs of every retiree. So, before committing to your retirement corpus to an annuity plan, it is important to evaluate alternative strategies that can provide a better balance of regular income, liquidity, growth potential, and flexibility. A well diversified portfolio that combines debt instruments for income with equity investments for long term growth can help generate inflation adjusted cash flows while preserving and growing your retirement corpus. Such an approach not only offers greater financial flexibility but also improves the likelihood of sustaining your lifestyle throughout retirement. Choosing the right retirement income strategy requires careful evaluation of your financial goals, risk tolerance, life expectancy, and income requirements.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.